Quite the connection there, quite the hookup.
Right? That's awesome.
Yeah. Hey, Natasha's
Yes.
here. Beautiful day,
Yeah.
and we have to really appreciate it.
You need to appreciate it today. You get to appreciate it a little bit more tomorrow.
Okay.
Another day with not a whole lot happening, but then tomorrow night it'll be a different story. Right now, we take you out to a view of the Dalles. We're at 66 degrees. Wind not too strong here. Wind will be a big part of this weather story here as we get to the middle of the week, especially for the coast. I'll show you that in a moment. Right now, temperatures in the valley in the low 60s. This morning, we did have a few upper 30s thrown into the mix. Some areas of fog as well. Tomorrow morning, any chance of seeing any fog in the valley will be a little bit more limited to the south end of the valley, south of Salem, perhaps closer to Eugene and Corvallis. Temperatures right now at the coast are in the mid to upper 50s. We have 63 for you in Bend, John Day, 59 degrees. So I want to point out a couple of features here. In the Gulf of Alaska, we have this area of low pressure. This is number 1 to impact us. Number 2 is just north of the Aleutians, and number 2 will be a bit stronger for us, a little bit more robust and helping to deliver some stronger winds and rainfall amounts. We're also tapping into perhaps a line of more of that subtropical moisture, and that could be adding to our rainfall totals. We'll show you that here in just a second, but first let's focus on the overall pattern. As I was just showing you, that first system right here closest to us, that arrives by the time we get to Wednesday, and we'll have some what we call tighter pressure gradients. So that means pressure over the course of a space is going to be very steep. So that's when we get those stronger winds. Now, we look to number 2 out here. It's not going to be getting just as close, but it will have a broader impact. Now, this is Thursday. Notice all the way through Friday and this weekend, more of a zonal flow. So we'll continue with this wet and kind of windy weather. But the strongest wind is expected to be on Wednesday. Let's talk about those rainfall totals first. Of course, whenever we look at modeled rainfall totals, we can see some big variations, but here's an overall estimate. By the time we go from late Tuesday night through Thursday midnight, we could pick up anywhere from a ½ inch to about 0.8 of an inch of rain inland. Along the coast, higher totals. This is where the rain will linger the longest, perhaps up to 1.25 inches for you. Astoria, east of the Cascades, anywhere from about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Now look at the overall total going from Tuesday through Friday. Perhaps closer to 3 inches for you at the coast, Astoria through Tillamook. Hood River could even pick up over 1.25 inches. Places like Vancouver, Portland, perhaps closer to about 1.5 inches. Again, that goes from Tuesday all the way through Friday. Winds will start to get a little bit stronger for us at Tuesday night at the coast. And then eventually we'll feel the effects of that spread a little bit farther inland. So by Wednesday midday to afternoon, wind gusts could possibly reach 30 to 35 miles per hour, perhaps even 40. We'll stick with the stronger winds and gusty winds through Thursday afternoon, and then the winds will begin to die down just a bit by the time we get to Friday. But looking at your daytime highs tomorrow, a pretty nice day. Just a few more clouds though, so you'll see fewer sun breaks, 65 degrees. And then our daytime highs pretty much stick with the mid to upper 50s for the rest of the week. And as you take a peek at Thursday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, a series of days in a row where it's just rain.
But Halloween's getting closer.
All right.
There is that.
Yes.
Thanks, Natasha. Stay with